everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video I'm gonna share with you a review, a contact lens review. As you can see, I have one in my eyes now, and I'm gonna share with you three contact lenses today, three contact lenses. So let's get to the video. So today's contact lens is this one, Ttdeye contact lens. This is the brand name. If you don't know, please go and search. They're really good. I'm using this company's contacts for 5 years and I never been disappointed. And I can just guarantee you that their colors and everything, like they have so many varieties of colors, and you can see there like which will suit you, which will not, their website. And also they have reviews, a lot of reviews. So there's so many different kind of people, different kind of eye color. You can just see what people's eye color, if that matches your eye color, you can immediately understand, okay, then this color will suit me. So after that, the first time when I heard about this contacts, I used to spend a lot of money on contact lenses from Solotica, some otherwhere, and they're just never been so good. Like, I just feel like I spent too much for what I got. So after that, when I heard about, I saw some advertisement somewhere, maybe in Facebook, about this contact lenses or about this brand, and I immediately ordered 3 of them. They have this special offer. If you buy 2, they will give you 1 for free. If you buy 3, they will give you 1 or 2 for free. So it's like you have to put 3 items in your cart, then 2 you have to pay, another 1 will be free. So I always order 3 because I really want 1 for free. You know, it's a very good offer, and I always order 3. So this time also I ordered 3 of them, and they comes with this kind of packaging, like this. And the special thing is they always change their cover. Like there's like every year when I buy, they always change this cover. Sometimes some other, and also inside of the packaging they always change. So when you open the lid, you will get like this kind of hello, Ttdeye hello note or card, and then you will get stickers. They're so cute. If you want to, if you can remember the names or difference, then you can put the statue on the top of the lid, like this, that I put like this heart. And then also they comes with this special mirror. Like they're very handy mirror, you can use all the time everywhere. I can show you that this is the just cute packaging, and this is like the mirror. This is the mirror. This is very handy, and you can just use it everywhere, like everywhere. You can put it in your purse and then you're ready to go. So this is one. And also in this package you can see some more stickers, like this cat. This is some kind of like cat stickers. There is the stickers of cat. I don't know why I cannot show you like this stickers like this. So this is 3 of them. And also they will give you small glitterish things. I don't know why the camera doesn't focus. Like this is like sprinkles. You can put in your eyes, like with shadows or anywhere. And also they comes with this kind of package, like 3 eyeshadows, 3 contact lenses with this kind of packaging. This is one of them. I take out all of them and I put it in the contact lens box. So but I take this one with me to show you guys how it looks like actually. So this is the packaging, and inside of this packaging you will get this kind of contact lenses, like this is how it looks like. And then you will take this out, and also they will give you this kind of box, small box. Look at this, it's so cute. This is the box, this is the contact lens place, left, right. They will give you a small like Q-tips kind of thing, so you can take it out. And also they will give you an applicator. You have to put like this kind of applicator. You can see this kind of applicator. You will put the contact in here and then you will put it. But I prefer with my hand. Of course I wash my hand before that. So this is how it looks like, and all of my contacts are already in the box here. I immediately, when I got the packet, I always put in immediately in the packaging, like it's like my thing. I always do that. So this is the box review. Now I'm gonna share with you my eyes. Like, this is the one that I'm wearing now, because without contact lens I cannot see. I have to wear my glasses. So this is one. This is kind of blue. So you can see, right? It's polar light blue. It's polar light blue. I can show you my original eye color. Did you see that? It's really brown. With light it looks like not dark, but it's actually dark brown. Without sunlight or without any light, my eyes are really dark brown. And you can see it covers everything, like it covers my brown eye. So this is one of them. Now I'm gonna try Euro-American Gray, Euro-American Blue Gray. They have another one, it's called Euro-American Blue Gray. I'm gonna try this off camera because it's like I will cry. Like every time I put my kind of contacts on, it's really like I cry a lot, even though I always wear it, always. And also these contacts are 1 year, like after opening the package you can use it for 1 year. After that you have to throw it, of course. So it's really good deal. And also if you have power like me, like I cannot see, you can, there is so many options. I can show you after this video how you're gonna order from this website, but let's try this Euro-American Gray. And now you can see I have this Euro-American Gray one. This looks super natural. If you don't like super bold look, it's really good for you. It's Euro-American Gray. And if you like if you are super white or like European, then I think this will look so good. In my eye also, I really like it because it doesn't take my look out. Like people will not gonna think like it's not my real eye. It looks like my real eye. So this is the Euro-American Gray, and I have the final one that is green, yellow. It's the Egypt yellow. It looks like a bit of green, that's why I bought it. Egypt yellow. So now I'm gonna try this one off camera. You can see the difference between these two. It hides all of my brown eye. I will put another one. You can see now all of them, like my both eye have excuse my tears. So this is how it looks like. This is Egypt yellow. And this is my favorite one because it actually looks like that I have my contacts on. Now get to the favorite one. Above these three, this one is my favorite. But if you want to ask me what is my all-time favorite, my all-time favorite is Queen series. They have so many series. The Queen series are my favorite. There's Queen Blue, Queen Gray, Queen Green. They are like super good. They look super natural. It doesn't look like that you have contacts on. They don't have this limbering. They don't have this limbering. There's like this looks super natural. It's really good. But about this three, this one is my favorite. I really like it. See, this is the all liquid from this. So I hope you guys like this video. In the end of the video, I'm gonna share with you the website, how you're gonna order and everything. So I hope you guys like this contacts. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. You can see there's a lot of offer going on. There's eyelashes, stickers, everything is 50% off, and all contacts up to 50% off. And there's also like buy 2 get 1 for free, buy 3 get 3 for free. This is all our Christmas special ad. And there are so many lashes, you can see. So they have also they have this series, like here what's new, and down here series. And you can see there is natural, fresh, enlarged, cosplay, party, rainbow, dream. And if you go to the natural, then you will see there is Fuji, Polar Lights, 1, 2, Queen, Hot, Queen New. So there is these are the Queen series that I like. This is hot one. And you can see there's Queen Brown, Queen Gray, Queen Blue, Queen Green. They are so good. This Queen Green is, oh my god, it's amazing. And also you have this Ttdeye Queen series contact lens kit. So all of them together, it's like only 116 euro, and you will get 5 of them. There is collections. You can just shop by the color, style, or type. Also they have Halloween. They have so many actually. Their website is really easy to visit. So yeah, these are the contact lens. And if you go and click, for example, this Queen Green, add cart, and you will see the select power. If you have any power, you can just select, for example, left is -1, right is -1.25, and you can easily just write it here and then add to cart. And it's already add to cart. You can see it's 27.30 $27.30. And also there's free shipping for order over $15. And then you can check out. And there is also PayPal. I always pay with PayPal. This easy one and secure one. Of course, this is a very secure website also, but I prefer PayPal. Then you can just go to the checkout section, and then you can just press the PayPal, or you can write the code here, like buy 2 get 1. If you want to buy 2 of them, then you can add 3 of them in your cart, and 1 will be free. So there is the information. You will put the information, and then you can just pay. That's it. It's really easy as pie. Maybe making pie is difficult than this. So yeah, so that's all. I hope you guys like this video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.